In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video in Qualtrics. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your survey and you want to add a new question inside any of your blocks. So click on Add New Question and select Text/Graphic over here inside the menu. When you do so, the content type can stay as it is, and you want to simply click on where it says click to write the question text, and then you can type, for example, please watch this video or something like that, okay? You can then click on the Rich Content Editor over here, and it's going to give you the ability to basically click on more over here. You can position yourself where you want your video to be. I'm going to go down here, and then you want to click on this button over here to actually insert media, okay? Now, the easiest way to do this, of course, you could select a file from library if you want to, but the easiest one is to just put in the URL. So I'm going to put in the URL to one of my tutorials over here. I'm going to copy it up top like this. I'm going to go in here, paste it, and now there we go, we have the preview, and then you can simply click on the insert button over here, and that's going to do the trick. And then you can just basically see that it's going to load in here. You can just double click out of this editor, and it's going to add the video inside your Qualtrics survey just like this. As you can see, it's over here. Now I am getting this error, and that is because I don't have the upgraded account. I'm currently on the trial, but if you do have an upgraded account, you'll be able to basically embed it in here very easily and see the video in here like this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.